I think I finished it.
Take your basket, honey.
Okay, let's go.
Here's your basket.
I'm taking mine.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Everybody's got their basket.
Look at eggs.
Everybody got ours.
You gotta pick them up.
Someone
See?
look over here. Jesus found one. Put it in your basket. Careful not to step on any.
All right, run. Just put it in your basket. Just drop it in here. Yeah.
Junior, see any eggs?
She's got
Junior, look over here.
I think she's been trying to steal Veronica.
Look.
I think they're all overwhelmed.
She just ate it and all the eggs before.
We had way too many eggs. Just eat it. Just eat it.
That's why I stick them close to the edge of the fence. Yes. This is so cute. Oh. Oh, man. See it? Yay! Yay! Hopper, oh my gosh, he's gonna get a buttload. I mean a boatload. You didn't get that far, did you?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I know what you're doing, huh?
Pretty good, actually.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Oh my gosh.
Winnie the Pooh. Hey, check that out right there.
Oh, that's cute.
Do you see any eggs
Oh,
there?
she's smart. She knows that.
Yeah, she
Oh, right behind you.
Do you see any
Right
eggs?
behind you, Savannah. Right behind you. On the chair. On the chair.
Look, June, June, over here. June, over here. Don't throw them, they break. Did you find some? Oh, yeah.
Yay.
Come here, girl. Bring your basket. Bring your basket. Come here. Come with me, June.
Right there.
Right behind you.
It's
Right in the
purple.
bushes. There you go. There's still another one
Is there
behind
any
you.
eggs over there?
Yeah, look down.
There's
Yeah.
more? Dang, how many eggs are there?
Over here too.
Mama's pointing to one. Over there.
One over here. Underneath
Do
the
you see any?
wheel.
Do you see any eggs back there? You should check really good.
Yep.
You found one? It's like, yep.
Where's the other ones, Veron? Look under your stroller.
Yeah, look under the stroller and make sure there's no.
Move the stroller if you have to. Move it out of the way.
Come over here on this side. Make sure there's more on this side.
Come over here. There might be another one underneath. I think you found it. No, you almost found it. Check under the wheels. Check under the wheels. Over here.
I didn't even notice that one.
Do you see it?
You see it? I see it. It's green. It's right there. Look under the wheels. There it is, huh? Say, there it is. Okay, let's go find some more. I know where some.
Dang, June's on it.
She is.
Look at the bird thing.
The birdhouse. Right behind you, June. Right behind you. Oh, she sees one. She sees one. That was funny. She just threw it and it missed her basket and fell on the floor. It's got right behind you. Right behind you. Look right there. There's an egg right there. Ah, you found it. Yeah. God, you got a lot. The basket's all heavy. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, she wants that one.
Get it for her. She's gonna
When
get
she
stuck in
tossed
the
it
rose
out of her
bushes.
basket, that was so funny.
There's the paper too. See it? Yeah, get it.
Who hit that one? That's
I
crazy.
think Alyssa did.
There's one right there. See it right there? Get it.
I did.
You got all kinds of eggs, don't you? Hey, Veronica, come here. Do you want me to hold your basket? Let's go. Let's go get some more. Come on, Veronica, look at it.
Come this way.
Look, I think I see one there. Do you see it? There might be another one. Keep looking. Do you see another one? Maybe if we look in the leaves. Do you see in the leaves
Pull the
anything?
leaves out of the way.
Check out those leaves. Oh, wow, there it is. Good job.
Who hid one in there? No one's gonna find it.
I know.
Hey, check it out.
Come on, put it in your basket.
You see another one?
Put them in your basket.
Good job. Is she already getting the candy out of him?
And there's one in here.
She found one.
Oh, she's smart. Oh, she's got it.
Put it in your basket.
I see another one.
Let's go. I see it.
Yeah. A sticker.
She has a lot. I think she's the queen of them all.
Yeah, put them in here.
Oh, look. I see another one.
Go look for some more, okay?
I found some in this basket. They're going to have a fight.
They both found the same one or
Look
what?
around.
Veron just stole it out of her basket.
Veron! Tell her you're sorry, Veron.
She took it out.
Tell her you're sorry.
I know. Give her egg back.
That's okay. I'll just take this one.
It's okay.
You have that one, Veron.
Look, Savannah.
You got a lot of candy already.
You want me to open it for you, June? June. Veronica, here, put it in your basket. Okay, where's your basket at? Look, there it is.
Go.
Veronica.
I'll carry it for you. Push my hand. She goes like this. Push my hand away. You better carry it for her, Tim.
Did they get this one?
She was dumping them.
Okay.
Let Daddy carry them.
You want me to open a candy for you?
She's dropping them.
Let me get a candy for you?
She had a candy or she couldn't open it.
Okay, well, let's look in this one.
What happened to that candy?
I think,
I got a big egg too.
Another one over here, Savannah.
That's how?
Come here, Savannah. Open it up right over there.
That
Look
it?
at all those eggs you got.
Really good.
Look up, Savannah.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, right there.
Is that all?
you got it, didn't
No, I see another one.
Hey, there's another one right there, Veron. Look inside that basket. Look inside the basket. Pick the
Pull
basket
it
up.
out. Pull it out.
Pick the basket up.
Oh, a big one.
Just get the egg. Just get the egg, okay? Put the egg in your basket. Okay, you can put that basket back now.
I got it a big egg too.
She was just throwing them, cracking them. She was throwing like that. I had to carry the basket for her.
That's all?
I think that's it.
That's paper.
Okay. What's that?
Come here, Veron.
They're all gone from here. They got all of these. Yeah, I think that's it.
What's all over your camera?
I don't know. It was on my desk. Should probably clean
Screen.
that.
Yeah.
The lens.
Yeah, there you go. Can you say cheese?
Are you eating candy?
Ooh, can I have one?
Are you
Can I have one?
Do you want to, Grandpa?
Oh, an orange one. Thank you.
Are you going to eat one?
Looks like he's pooping.
Yeah.
All right.
Get your basket, baby.
Where'd Grandma go?
Marina,